Are you someone who feels that therapy could truly help you right now, but financial limitations are standing in your way? What if I told you that healing doesn't always have to involve money? That there's another way? A way where we exchange skills, services, and support. So many people carry a deep need for healing, but they feel blocked because therapy feels financially out of reach for them. I want to change that. This is exactly why I created the Synergy Circle. Firstly, I created this to support those who genuinely need therapy but may not currently have the financial resources, because I truly believe that healing should not be a privilege. Healing should not be something that's reserved only for those who can afford it. Healing, therapy, should be available for all of us. But beyond that, I also believe that we're being called to slowly return to a more natural way of supporting one another by trading goods, services, and skills. In a world that depends so heavily on money, we often forget that real human connection, community, and shared resources are far more resilient. When money loses its power, whether it's during power cuts, crises, or economic shifts, it is our skills and our creativity and our ability to support each other that truly matter. The Synergy Circle is my small contribution to this vision that I have. A space where healing is offered in exchange for your own unique gifts. The therapy services that I offer through the Synergy Circle include sound therapy, personalized guided meditation, and intuitive Reiki that are fully tailored to your individual needs. So if you feel called to join the Synergy Circle, you can easily access it directly here on my website. At the top of the main page, you will see the portal. Simply click on the small plus button to open it. Inside the portal, you will find a page that is called the Synergy Circle. That's where you can fill out a simple form with your details, and you will also find a list of services that I currently need or can benefit from. But even if your skills or service is not listed, please feel free to reach out, because you may carry something, a gift, a skill that I have not yet considered, and I'm always open to creative collaborations and new forms of exchange, so don't let that stop you from reaching out. At this moment, the Synergy Circle is open for in-person sessions in London only, as this is where I am based. However, I do plan to expand this to online sessions in the future as well, to also welcome people from outside London and even outside of the UK. This is not just about therapy. This is about building community, mutual support, and a new way of walking this healing journey together, of supporting one another. So I really look forward to connecting with you. Please get in touch. I love you all.